You might be used to just squeezing a bit of lemon juice on your food or into your drinks, but did you know that there's so much more you could be getting from whole lemons? Lemons come in several varieties. Two common ones are the Eureka and Lisbon lemons. Eureka lemons are the more recognizable of the two, with a bumpy texture and prominent tip. Lisbon lemons, on the other hand, are smooth and round. Both types offer similar health benefits as they're rich in vitamin C and other vital nutrients. Now, let's dive into the different parts of a whole lemon and the amazing benefits each part provides. The nutrients in lemon pulp and their effects on human health. The pulp of a lemon is rich in vitamin C, one of the most well-known antioxidants. Vitamin C plays a key role in supporting the immune system, aiding wound healing, and promoting skin health by encouraging collagen production. In addition to vitamin C, lemon pulp contains other important nutrients such as vitamin B6, folate, and potassium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, while vitamin B6 and folate are essential for brain health and cell growth. Lemon pulp also contains soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and support healthy digestion. It's also beneficial for weight loss because it can help you feel full for longer periods. Plus, it helps to feed your friendly bacteria. The nutrients in the white part of lemon and their effects on human health. The white part of the lemon, known as the pith, is often overlooked, but it's packed with dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber. And, as we already know, soluble fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote heart health by reducing cholesterol. The pith also contains a class of antioxidants known as flavonoids, which can help combat inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. While the pith can be slightly bitter, including it in your diet can provide you with these powerful health benefits. If you blend lemons, you will not even feel the bitterness of the lemon pith, but only if you drink it right away. The nutrients in lemon peel and their effects on human health. Lemon peel contains a high concentration of essential oils, flavonoids, and other beneficial compounds. These include limonene, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. The peel also has antioxidant compounds that help protect your body from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The natural oils in the peel can also promote healthy skin and hair. Additionally, lemon peel has been associated with boosting metabolism and supporting weight loss due to its fiber content and natural thermogenic effects. The nutrients in lemon seeds and their effects on human health. Lemon seeds are often discarded, but they can provide health benefits when consumed. Lemon seeds contain various compounds such as limonene, a natural antioxidant that can help you combat inflammation. They also contain fiber, which can help regulate digestion and support overall gut health. Be mindful that lemon seeds should be consumed in moderation as they contain small amounts of cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide when broken down. Eating a few seeds occasionally is generally safe, but avoid excessive consumption. Nutrient lifetime once lemon is juiced. When you juice a lemon, some nutrients begin to degrade due to exposure to light and air. Vitamin C, in particular, can break down quickly, so it's best to consume lemon juice immediately after juicing for maximum benefit. It has a lifetime of around 30 to 45 minutes if refrigerated. On the other hand, some nutrients, like the essential oils found in the peel, can remain stable for a longer period, making lemon zest a great addition to your dishes. Uses of whole lemons. Now that we've covered the benefits of eating whole lemons, let's explore how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Smoothies and juices. Blend whole lemons, including the peel and seeds, in your smoothies and juices for an extra boost of nutrients. Cooking and baking. Use lemon zest or chopped lemon for cooking and baking to enhance flavor and nutritional value. Salad dressings and marinades. Add lemon juice and zest to your dressings and marinades for a zesty, healthy touch. Tea. Add whole lemon slices to your tea for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Preserves. Preserve lemons by pickling them for long-term storage, which allows you to benefit from the nutrients even when the lemons are out of season. Healthy dessert. You can dry lemon slices and enjoy them as a healthy, tangy dessert. Other interesting facts on eating whole lemons. Lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil, derived from the peel, can be used for aromatherapy or topically for its soothing and uplifting properties. Lemon water. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can aid digestion and hydrate the body. Detoxifying. Lemons are known for their detoxifying properties and can support liver function. Boosting immunity. Regular consumption of lemons can boost the immune system and help fight off infections. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, eating whole lemons, including the peel, white part, and seeds, offers a wide array of health benefits that you may not be fully taking advantage of. Let's recap the key points and benefits of consuming whole lemons. Types of lemons and their benefits. Lemons come in several varieties, including Eureka and Lisbon. Regardless of the type, lemons are abundant in essential nutrients, most notably vitamin C, which supports immune function, skin health, and wound healing. Nutrients in lemon pulp and their effects on human health. The lemon pulp is a powerhouse of nutrients, especially vitamin C. This nutrient acts as a potent antioxidant, aiding the immune system and promoting collagen production. Additionally, the pulp is rich in vitamin B6, folate, and potassium, contributing to overall health and wellness. Its soluble fiber aids digestion and may help manage cholesterol levels, making it beneficial for weight loss. Nutrients in the white part of lemon and their effects on human health. The often overlooked white part, known as the pith, is a significant source of dietary fiber. Soluble fiber in the pith can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health by lowering cholesterol. Additionally, the pith contains flavonoids with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Nutrients in lemon peel and their effects on human health. The peel of a lemon is rich in essential oils, flavonoids, and limonene, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. The peel's antioxidants protect the body from oxidative stress and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, the peel has natural thermogenic effects and fiber content, supporting metabolism and weight loss. Nutrients in lemon seeds and their effects on human health. Lemon seeds are often discarded, but they contain beneficial compounds such as limonene, which has anti-inflammatory properties. The seeds also provide fiber to support gut health. However, they should be consumed in moderation due to the presence of cyanogenic glycosides. Nutrient lifetime. Once lemon is juiced. After juicing a lemon, some nutrients, particularly vitamin C, begin to degrade rapidly due to exposure to light and air. They may last 30 to 45 minutes if refrigerated. To maximize the health benefits, consume lemon juice immediately after juicing. Essential oils in the peel, however, remain stable, making lemon zest a versatile ingredient in your recipes. Uses of whole lemons. Whole lemons can be used in various ways. Smoothies and juices. Blending whole lemons adds nutrients and flavor to your drinks. Cooking and baking. Add lemon zest or chopped lemon to dishes for a tangy kick. Salad dressings and marinades. Enhance your recipes with lemon juice and zest. Tea. Infuse your tea with lemon slices for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Preserves. Pickle lemons for a tangy, long-lasting treat. Desserts. Dried lemon slices make for a healthy, tangy dessert. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with eating whole lemons. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.